Hello students, welcome back to maths class. Today we'll continue further in this video with the next exercise 3.6 using the concept of HCF. We have to find here HCF, that is the question number 1 here. The first given number to us is 18 and 48. So by using the division method, children, we'll find the prime factors of 18, which are here you can see 2 into 3 into 3, and here 48, the prime factors given in the first column here are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now after listing the factors, we have to search the common number in both. Okay, so here you can see you have only two pairs here, that is 2 and 3 in common in 18 and 48. So what will be the HCF? HCF will be 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. So HCF of 18 and 48 is nothing but 6 over here. Next we have 27 and 63. As you can see, we have found the prime factors of 27 and 63 over here. List the factors here. Find the common in them. What is common here in both? 3 and 3. So first 3 we have listed out as HCF. Second number again in common again is here 3. So we have found another 3 over here. So 3 into 3, when you multiply, you will get 9, which is the HCF of 27 and 63 over here. Next we have 70, 105 and 175. List the factors of 70, 105 and 175. 70 is 2 into 5 into 7, 105 is 3 into 5 into 7, 175 is 5 into 5 into 7. The common, that is highest common factor to list out between all the three we have here, the common number you can see here among the three is 5 and 7. So when we multiply 5 and 7, we get its HCF here. 5 sevens are, that is equal to 35. So what is the HCF of the three numbers? 35. Next we have 91, 112 and 49. Listing the prime factors for 91, we have 7 into 13. 112 we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 49 we have 7 into 7. Okay. So now what is the common number in all the three children here? That is only 7 here. Okay. There is no other number which is common in all the three. It should be in all the three. If it is in 2 and it is not in 1, you cannot take it. Okay. So remember, all the three should have that number in them. So here the HCF of the given number is only 7 over here. Now question number 2. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers means one after the another number. So the common factor of two consecutive number is always 1, hence their HCF will be equal to 1 only. Second, even numbers. What is the HCF of two consecutive even number, children? The two consecutive even numbers are 1 and 2, and hence their HCF will also be equal to 2 only. And what about odd numbers? The common factors of two consecutive odd number is 1, hence the HCF of them will always be equal to 1 only. So with this children we end this exercise over here. Hope you understood, and I will see you now in the next video.